there, welcome to the Deal Room platform experience. We will walk you through the steps that you need to get ready for the Midwest.tech Connect event in Deal Room. It all starts on the event registration page. If you don't have an account, you need to fill in your profile. Otherwise, just click Log In. Once you're in, you can find your event under Live and Upcoming Events tab. When you click on the event, your participant card should pop up if it's the first time. Here, you'll need to add important details such as your time zone, personal details like what are you offering, what are you seeking, the type of participant type that you are. If at any point you'd like to change the information provided, you can do so by simply clicking on the left sidebar on My Event Profile tab. This information is what will help us suggest to you and others the most relevant attendees that you can meet throughout our algorithms. Once it's done, you can also edit additional information by clicking on your profile picture and changing, for example, passwords, adding additional email addresses. At the top, you will see the Attendees section tab. In the Attendees section is where you'll find all the event attendees. You can filter all the participants here. You can sort them through relevance, alphabetical order, company, or registration date. You decide. Additionally, the event has been built in a way where you can also enhance relevance by applying filters, such as the participant type you'd like to meet, fundraising stages, etc. You can also search a participant by name on the search button. To book a meeting, click directly on the participant card and select Book and Meet. The recipient will be the one that chooses what time and/or date to meet up. You can also, at any time, send a direct message to a participant in Messenger. You can also bookmark participants if you like to review them after. Simply click Add to Favorite. To view and review your invitations, click on the Invitations tab on the left. You can see your sent and received invitations. At any moment, you can cancel meetings or request a reschedule for a different time. In your agenda, you can also add breaks for the event. This is useful so that when people choose a time, if you've sent an invite, the time they choose, they're only provided with options where your personal agenda is marked as available. You will have access to your personal agenda all the time, where it will let you know when you have one-on-one meetings, with whom, when they start. You'll see a countdown for the meetings once you've entered, for instance, one. If your one-on-one meeting has started, you can simply click on Join through the agenda. Once you join, this is a quick glimpse of how your one-on-one meeting might look like. Remember, to allow Deal Room platform to access your camera and microphone. This is very important so that everybody has access to see you and hear you. If you ever have any questions before, during, or after the event, remember you can contact our team by simply clicking on the right button that says Live Support. Thank you for watching the tutorial, and we hope you enjoy the event.